The BJP has taken a jibe on the India alliance and said that Congress leader Prithviraj Chavan's statement makes it clear that AAP is the A team and Congress is B team in Delhi, and there will be an alliance between them very soon. Big statement coming in from Prithviraj Chavan, the Congress leader and former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, who has said he has extended his support to the Aam Aadmi Party in the Delhi Assembly polls. In fact, the BJP has not missed its chance and has taken a jibe at the India alliance over the statement. The BJP says that it's clear now that AAP, the Aam Aadmi Party, is the A team, the first choice, and the Congress slipping down is the B team, and that there will be an alliance between them soon. Listen into this.
कांग्रेस के लिए झटके रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे। पहले समाजवादी पार्टी ने झटका नंबर 1 दिया आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करके, फिर टीएमसी ने झटका नंबर 2 दिया आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करके, अब तेजस्वी यादव और लालू यादव जी ने झटका नंबर 3 दिया है कांग्रेस को, ये कहकर कि इंडिया अलायंस तो केवल लोकसभा में था, विधानसभा में कोई इंडिया अलायंस नहीं, मतलब कि बिहार में भी झटका लगने वाला है। कांग्रेस के लिए नो टेकर्स, नो कॉन्फिडेंस इन राहुल, और नो कॉन्फिडेंस की तो स्थिति यह है कि खुद पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण जो कांग्रेस के नेता है वो कांग्रेस की जीत की कामना नहीं कर रहे। वो तो कह रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में कांग्रेस नहीं जीत पाएगी, कोई और जीतेगी, आम आदमी पार्टी जीतेगी। राहुल गांधी केवल और केवल लीडर ऑफ पार्टी रहे हैं, वो पार्टी कर रहे हैं, और यहां पर उनकी अलायंस जो है वो पार्ट वेज कर रही है।
We're also being joined by my colleague Soumya to get us more on the story. Soumya, BJP has taken a sharp jibe at Chavan's statement where he has supported the Aam Aadmi Party, and also the BJP has said that it seems like the India alliance was only befit for the Lok Sabha elections and has nothing to do with the assembly elections in Delhi. Tell us more about this, Soumya.
Yes, well, see, clearly an attempt has been made to corner Congress by its own alliance members. So these are the developments that we are looking at the moment. First, it was Mamata Banerjee a few days back showing a keen interest in leading the India alliance and questioning the leadership of Congress in leading the India alliance. And right after that, we had Arvind Kejriwal, while he was counter-attacked by top leadership of Congress and Ajay Makin and Sandeep Dikshit on the two schemes. Now we have all the India alliance partners backing Aam Aadmi Party for the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections, and with that we also have one of its own leaders, Congress leader Prithviraj Chavan, saying that Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party might win the Delhi Assembly elections. However, Congress is also in the fray. However, it would have been better if both the parties would have fought the elections together. So these are the developments that we are picking up at the moment. With that, we also, as per sources, we also have this information that UBT Sena might also back Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming assembly elections here in the national capital, while also campaigning on ground for Aam Aadmi Party.
Right, Soumya. In fact, Soumya, take us back to the statement where the BJP said that the Aam Aadmi Party in the India alliance is the A party and Congress has become the B party, slipping down many positions and is not going to be the holder, the keeping together of the India alliance. Tell us more about that also, Soumya.